Hi, welcome to ACS Composite. My name is Joseph, and in this video, we'll introduce you to our new C8 Stingray Z06 type side rocker. So as we could see on the car, it is a 3/4 length side rocker, much like the C8 Z06 coming out in 2023. It's got the same similar profile as the Z51 rocker, but obviously with the extra beveled notch and enhancement. So it's much wider than the Z51 rocker. Obviously much shorter than our 1VM, 5 or 7 VM rocker. So it really puts us in the mid position between a Z51 and a 1VM, I would say. Styling wise, it's got the identical profile as a Z06. The two cars do have different lower side rocker panels, so it was reproportioned for the Stingray specifically, but the mounting system is identical. It actually shares the same mounting holes as a Z51 side rocker, and our 1VM, it does share a lot of common holes. Obviously the longer versions have more rivets. This one has 6 per side rockers and some double-sided tape for installation. They do come in carbon flash black, which will match all the other trim pieces on the car, like the diffuser or the boomerang or the bumper inserts in the front. A nice way to complement the car, enhance its stance, and does offer a little more rock chip protection than the Z51 side rocker would have, since it is about 2 inches wider at its peak at the mirror level of the side rocker. We're ready to install our Z06 rocker for the Stingray. Obviously, car needs to be lifted. This one's on 4 jack stands. You can do it on a lift, ramps, or even on the ground if you put the car on blocks. Step 1 is obviously to clean the surface. I always worry if you've done your ceramic coatings and things like that. This car hasn't gotten a full ceramic, so I'm not too concerned. If you did, you would have to strip this area here. Another recommendation was probably to use an adhesion promoter. This car has only been waxed, so I used alcohol to clean it. I'm now just doing a 50-50 water alcohol just to be thorough and make sure I don't have anything left over on the surface. I'm going to do a dry fit of the part just to make sure I'm happy with the fit, and very happy with it. My next step is going to be to install the tape. On the inside of the part, there's a provision for the double-sided tape. So in our hardware kit, we do get a roll of double-sided tape and 10 or 11 rivets that get fastened on these points. So pretty straightforward. Basically, install the tape inside the provision. We always want to make sure that the surface was clean beforehand. I'm leaving myself some extra material to make myself a pull tab. I'm folding the tape, so obviously the pull tab is going to stick out. Getting a second set of hands could help you to firmly press it onto the car. I do have about a 1/4 inch gap in the front. That is intended. What's important is that the top edge is 100% parallel. And this is where a set of hands will help. What I'm doing is I'm going to use my knee as pressure and pulling finally going as inbound as I can, and I'm applying pressure. front tip. I'm constantly pressing towards the center of the car to maintain that gap. Once I drill the hole and I set the rivet, we lock that in so I could relieve the pressure. For the last rearmost hole, I need to use a shorter rivet since the chassis is so close. I'm pulling the panel towards the ground so I ensure a proper grip. I hope you've enjoyed our installation of the C8 Z06 rocker. Please share your thoughts on it. Do you prefer the Z51 over the Z06? We feel this gives you a new, fresher look as the 2023 rolls out. So we think that the extra hands and the profile does add a lot to the side profile. That's our thought, but let us know what you think. If you enjoyed our content and would like to see other installs, do let us know in the comments. Reach out to us. We're always looking for suggestions. And most importantly, if you'd like to stay up to date with our new releases, please do subscribe.